Student, this is Miss Pooja Arun Mhatre, lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Department in Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Today's topic is CPR, C Programming, chapter number 1, Overview of C Programming, part 2. The learning course outcomes are C character set, keyword, identifier, constants, types of constants, and difference between keyword and identifier. C character set. As every language contains a set of characters used to construct words, statements, etc. C language also has a set of characters which includes alphabets, digits, special symbols. So C language supports a total number of 256 characters. So character indicates any alphabet, any digit, any special symbol. So it is used to construct a keyword, variables, identifier, constants and expressions. So every C program contains statements and these statements is constructed using the words and these words are constructed using the characters from the C characters set. The C language characters set contains the following set of characters: alphabet, digits and special symbols. Alphabets. C program supports all the alphabets from the English language, that is the lowercase and the uppercase letters, and support the together it supports the 52 alphabets. Lowercase alpha letters are small a to z, uppercase letters are capital A to Z. There are the total 52 alphabets are supported in a C character set. Second one is a digit. The C language supports 10 digits which are used to construct the numerical values in C language, and the digits are 0 to 9 number, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. C lang character set. The C language supports a rich set of special symbols that includes a symbol to perform a mathematical operations, to check the condition, while spaces, white spaces, backspaces and other special symbols. The first one is a quotation mark, then exclamation mark, comma, left flower braces, right flower braces, question mark, dot operator, underscore, left bracket, right bracket, tilde, percent sign, vertical bar, at symbol, plus sign, less than sign, minus sign, greater than sign, caret, number sign, that is a hashtag, equal to, ampersand, dollar sign, slash, left parenthesis, right parenthesis, asterisk, backslash, apostrophe, colon and semicolon. Keyword. Keywords. Keyword is a reserved word, so you cannot use it as a variable name, constant name, etc. So keyword, because the meaning of those words are predefined to the compiler. That is why the keywords are reserved words. So there are the only 32 reserved words, that is the keywords in C programming language, which is given by the Ricci, and the 5 keywords are added by the ANSI. That is total 27 keywords are given by the Ricci, that is the developer of the C programming language, and the 5 keywords are added by the ANSI, and the total numbers of keywords are 32. So as the meaning of the keyword which is previously known by the compiler, we can't use this as a identifier and the variable name and the constant name. So all the keywords in C program is in the lower case. So C compiler only recognize these keywords if they are written in a lower case, because the C is a case sensitive language. Here are the list of the keywords are, which is auto, break, case, char, const, continue, default, double, else, enum, extern, float, for, go to, if, int, long, register, return, short, sign, size of, static, struct, switch, type definition, that is type def, union, unsigned, void, volatile, while, and do. So keywords are the special words whose meaning has a predefined and it cannot use as a variable name and identifier. So all the keywords are in the lower case only. Identifiers. C identifiers represent the name in the C program. For example, variable, function, array, structure, union, labels, etc. So an identifiers can be composed by letters such as uppercase, lowercase letters, underscore, digits. But the starting letter should be either alphabet or underscore. That means you can use any digit, any uppercase letter, any lowercase letter, any underscore, any digits, etc. But the starting of the identifier, it should be a alphabet or the underscore only. If the identifier is not used in external linkage, then it is called as an internal identifier. If the identifier is used in an external linkage, then it is called as an external identifier. So, in C language, identifier is a name given in a variable, constant, functions and user defined data. This identifier is defined against a set of rules. So, identifier is formed by the combination of the uppercase, lowercase, digits and underscore, and it is a user defined word. Identifier is a user defined word. So each identifier start with the alphabet and underscore, then it is followed by the number, alphabet, digits and underscore. The rules of identifiers are: an identifier can only have the alphanumeric character, that is small a to z, capital A to z, 0 to 9 and underscore. The first character of an identifier can only contain the alphabets, that is small a to z, capital A to z or underscore. The identifier also case sensitive in C. For example, name and the name are the two different identifiers in C. Name, that is small name, and the name as capital N and ME are the two different identifiers is considered in a C language, just because of C is a case sensitive language. Keywords are not allowed to be used as an identifier. So no special characters such as semicolon, period, white space, slash or comma are permitted to be the use as a or as an identifier. Next is a constant. C constants are also like a normal variables, but only difference is their values cannot be modified by the program once they are defined. The constants refer to fixed values. They are also called as a literal. And the constants may belonging to the any of the data types. It is syntax constant, data type, variable name, semicolon, or const, data type, asterisk, that is a star, symbol of star, asterisk, variable name, semicolon. The types of constant. First is the integer constant, then real or floating point constant, octal and hexadecimal constant, characters constant, string constant, backslash character constants. Types of constant and the data types with example are integer constant. Integer means numbers, that is numerical values. Here, the integer constant must have a list of one digit. It must have a decimal. It does not have a decimal point. That means it is a number. It is a list of one digit, but there is not use a decimal point. It can be a positive or negative number. No comma, no backslashes are allowed in an integer constant. For example, int in parentheses 53, 1, 762, minus 7, 478, etc. Unsigned integer is 5000 u, 1000 u, etc. Long integer is 483, 643, 2, 147, 483, 680, etc. That means integers are numbers, are the digit, but not using the decimal points. It can be a positive and negative. Then real or floating point constant. Floating point it is also use a digits. Real constant is digits, but it have a decimal point. It could be either positive and negative also. So no commas and blank are allowed. That is, for example, float in bracket 10 point, that is decimal point 45, 67 and 89, and the double is 600 point 123, 456, 789. Third one is the octal constant. Octal constant is, for example, integer. Example is 013. It starts with a 0. Octal constant is start with 0. Then hexadecimal constant, for example, 0x90. 0x90. Hexadecimal constant, for example, integer example is 0x90. It starts with 0x, and the octal constant is start with 0 only. Then character constant, that is char. Characters alphabets are A, B, C, capital, small, etc. Then the string constant, that is example A, B, C, D, that means a combination of alphabets. String is a combination of alphabets. H, A, I, hey, etc. But the data type is using the character constant, and string constant is a char only. Types of constant. First one, integer constant. So the integer constant must have at least one digit. It does not have decimal point. It can be a positive or negative. No commas and blanks are allowed. Then no sign precedes the integer constant. It is assumed to be positive. The allowable range for the integer constant is minus 32,768 to the 32,767. Second one is a real constant. Real constant must have at least one digit, but it have a decimal point. It could be a positive or negative. If no sign precedes an integer constant, it is assumed to be positive, and no commas or blanks are allowed in a real constant. Then character and string constants in C. A character constant is a single alphabet or a single digit or a single special symbol enclosed within a single quote. The maximum length of a character contains is a one character, and string constants are enclosed within a double quotes. Backslash character constants. There are some characters which have a special meaning in C language. They should be preceded by the backslash symbol to make use of the special function of them, and given below is the list of the special characters of and their purpose. The backslash characters are: backslash b is a backspace used for the backspace, backslash f is a form feed, backslash n is used for the new line, backslash r is carriage return, backslash t is a horizontal tab, backslash double quote, backslash single quote, double backslash for the comment we use, backslash v is used for the vertical tab, backslash a is a alert or bell, backslash question mark, backslash n is an octal constant, backslash n is a hexadecimal constant. Then the difference between keyword and identifier. The keyword is a predefined word, and the identifier is a user defined word. Keyword is must written in a lowercase only, and the identifier is it can be written in both lower and uppercase also. Keyword is a predefined in a C programming compiler, and the identifier is not defined in a C program compiler. Keyword is a combination of alphabetical characters and identifier is a combination of alphanumeric characters. Keyword does not contain the underscore character. Identifier can contain the underscore character. Thank you.